Here's a pair of the Sony WF-C510 earbuds. I'm going to show you how to put this in pairing mode as well as how to factory reset, okay? So what you want to do first is make sure the buds are in the case, and then go ahead and open the lid up, and you got a button here on the back, okay? See that button, that round one? If I press, I'm going to press and hold that, okay? Once the light here starts blinking blue, 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 that's in pairing mode, okay? Now, if I keep holding it for like 25 seconds or so, if I keep on holding that, it'll turn from blue, 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 blue. Eventually, it's going to turn orange, which indicates the factory reset, all right? So we're going to do this together, okay? Let's open it up. And now here's that little button here, and I'm going to press and hold. Ready, set, go. Okay, I'm holding now. Just keep holding here, and we're going to end up factory resetting these, okay? So now it's in pairing mode, so I can let go of it. It's blinking blue. It'll be in pairing mode, but I'm going to keep holding because we're going to proceed to the factory reset, okay? So I'm still holding onto the button. Okay, now you see the orange light there. Now just wait until it stops. Now it stops. Let go of the button, and now you just factory reset it. And then the lights will turn off.